Hello everyone, welcome to the Bonsai Life. Today it will be like kind of weird video, so please in advance don't judge me. This is just an experiment. I have this water fountain and it's supposed to like water goes here, then from here is like a little pool, from here goes here, and then it spins the wheel, and here you have a holes, and like water goes from here to here and partially goes down, and some water goes to here. So I was thinking to use this as my pot. Before, like few years ago, I tried to plant here a ficus tree, but it was like really tiny small cutting, and it was living for some time and then eventually died. But it didn't have any good decent roots, anything. So I think it was just like I replanted it too early in kind of too into the soil that is too large. So now I have a plan. I have a soil, special kind of soil, and this is for aquarium and terrarium plants. So this substrate, it's like a keramzit, and this is supposed to be in the water all the time. So now I washed this substrate so it doesn't have any dust, and now I want to take this one out and change the substrate. And I have here some cuttings of my Ficus microcarpa, and because these are just like one of many cuttings, and I know this classic microcarpa is like it could stand a really lot of water, like it can be in water almost non-stop. So I was thinking to put this cutting. It's nothing special, it's just kind of, you know, ordinary straight tiny little cutting, not a little, but you know what I mean. And just to put it here, tighten it up, and whenever I wanted to water the tree, I will turn the fountains on. So let's give a try. So I'm not like 100% sure will this cutting survive or not, but it's like worth of like trying, because if I succeed, then I will have roots growing down into this tiny little pool and then again down. So I definitely want to try. I don't know will I succeed, but I think you have to like try and experiment, and when you hit the jackpot sometimes, then you have something like really extra. And I have like really a lot of cuttings, so one here and there, it's like it's not gonna hurt, but if I succeed, then I will have something like kind of something strange. So here I will just pick up the dead leaves, and I will take the both of the trees out. I will just take the lava rocks from the bottom. Because I will use this lava rocks for that second tree. I have to totally bare root it because I don't want any of this old substrate on the roots. Will this fit here? Oh my god. This is kind of big. But I will take these upper roots off. So I will definitely take the upper roots of the tree. I will shorten the roots. So I have that other tree, I did wash the roots. Now I will just pot this second tree up like really fast. I have here a small pot that can fit there. And I will pot this up. I can maybe cut some of the roots from this one. Here I see one really thick root inside. I can take some of it from him, some of these bad roots. So I will just fix my roots. Oh, the angle is okay. So okay, this one is finished. I will just water this tree. And leave it as it is, because this one is still growing and it's nothing special for now. So I put the piece of mesh here, so I don't wash my soil off. So now I will put the tree here, and I put the two pieces of wire. I hope that that's gonna be enough. And I will try to fix the tree properly there. And then I'm gonna put the substrate. So now, before I tighten this totally, I will first put the substrate there. I have to take some scoop. Soil is kind of wet, so I will have to be careful. It's not good to put the wet soil, but I had to wash the soil, and I forget to wash the soil the day before. So now you see why it's really bad to use wet soil. I hate that. Wet soil is really bad thing. Good is that the tree is really holding there nicely. I hope the water flow will not wash my soil away, because now I have like much smaller like soil grain than I had before. So I don't know what's gonna do the water flow with this small soil. So we will see. It's just experiment. So I could bring the tree a bit more to the front. Okay, I think I'm okay with the soil. Just got a bit strong branches. So now let's test the I will just clean up a bit for a big reveal. So I will bring the water. So So let's go. Wait a second. Come on. So nothing is washing away, so at least for now. It was better flow without this bowl, so I'm not gonna use this. And I can actually do one more thing, because that pump have settings, and I can put the lowest setting that is like possible, so the water will run like slower. So now this is the smallest setting what I can make with this pump. So this is like really small water flow, and I will put a tiny little bit of fertilizer, and that will run around non-stop, so the tree will be fertilized. And but just that this lowest setting is not turning the wheel properly, but maybe I can try increase the with the stone a little bit, increase the pressure. No, the stone is not turning, nothing is turning, so and this tree we have from that, this needs to be cut a little bit down. So I think this is all for today. If you did like this crazy thing, please thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.